Hair falls out and white hair grows on it. Medicine Vinca Minor. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall know when to use medicine Vinca Minor when hair falls out on single spots and white hair grows on it. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। मेडिसिन विनका माइनर। स्पॉट्स ऑन स्कैल्प, oozing moisture, matting hair together, hair falls out on single spots and white hair grows on it. Crustalactea, favus, plicapolonica. Corrosive itching on scalp with irresistible desire to scratch. Itching, biting on scalp, especially on vertex, frequently provoking scratching. Humid eruptions on head with vermin, nightly itching, burning after scratching. Bald spots covered with short woolly hair. Chronic moist offensive smelling, eruption on head, face and behind ears. Pressure upon head externally. Lachrymose, sadness with fear of death, peevish and quarrelsome, soon followed by repentance. Whirling vertigo with flickering before eyes, tearing pain in vertex with a feeling as if a hammer were beating from within outward. Dullness of sinciput with slow pressure toward eyes and dimness of eyes aggravated by stooping when writing. Obscuration of vision like fog before eye while reading, at times also when walking. So little secretion in eye that on getting snuff into it he was obliged to wash it out with water. Itching and burning of lids which become red. Ringing and whistling in ears with a feeling of cold wind, especially in left ear. Frequent nosebleed, itching in nose, distressing dryness and heat in nose extending into frontal sinuses. Stoppage of nose, mostly of one nostril, with discharge of much mucus through posterior nares. Tip of nose becomes red on getting least angry. Moist eruption on septum of nose discharging a moisture which drying formed a light brown scab. Skin was dirty white, elevated with red areola. Itching of upper lip which provokes scratching. Toothache, tearing in teeth, ameliorated by warmth of bed. Increased secretion of saliva. Aphthae in mouth. Frequent hawking through day. Sensation as if something were sticking low down in esophagus which provokes swallowing. Sore throat with difficulty in swallowing. Ulcers in throat. Empty eructations after drinking beer and generally aggravated from taking liquids. Nausea after coffee. violent, bitter, copious vomiting of yellowish green liquid, gripping in abdomen, rumbling and gurgling in abdomen with emission of much offensive flatus, abdomen full, tense but painless. Distension of abdomen after stool, flatulence, urging to stool, stool first hard then soft, stool exhausting with burning in anus, diminished secretion of urine, urine pale yellow, excessive profuse menses flowing like a stream with great debility, passive uterine hemorrhage from fibroid tumors, passive uterine hemorrhage in women long past their climacteric period, painful tension and stiffness of cervical muscles with a sensation as if a weight were lying upon them, cramp like drying in upper arm and tips of fingers, swelling and stiffness of finger joints of fingers, swelling and stiffness of first joints of fingers with burning pain in nails, cramp like drying in feet and toes, inclination to stretch limbs, tearing pains in limbs, arthritic tearing in bones, great weakness and prostration, weakness as if he would die, tremulous feeling especially in upper extremities with tendency to start especially on exerting mind, frequent yawning, sleeplessness and restlessness at night, lascivious dreams. Most of the symptoms are ameliorated by moving in open air. Warmth aggravates toothache. Sensation as if a hammer were beating from within outward in vertex. Sensation of cold wind in ears as if something were sticking in low down in esophagus, as if a weight were lying upon cervical muscles, as if he would die from weakness, burning of lids in anus, in fingers, in ulcers on left natis, tension and stiffness of cervical muscles, tremulous feeling in upper extremities, in blood vessels, itching on scalp, of lids, in nose, of upper lip, corrosive of skin, in moist spots on upper part of right ankle, dryness in nose, passive uterine hemorrhages, arthritic tearing in bones, corrosive itching provoking scratching, great sensitiveness of skin with redness and soreness even from slight rubbing, itching, moist spots on upper part of right ankle, burning in ulcers like bedsores on left natis. Dose medicine Vinca Minor 6, 12 and 30 potency 1 to 2 drops in 10 ml water 4 times a day or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.